Okay, we need to multiply these factors. Now, if you remember when it says squared, remember it's saying whatever is in here is repeated. So this is the same thing as saying 3y minus 2 times 3y minus 2. It's really important to remember that property of exponents, okay? So when you multiply, remember we're going to be foiling. We're not just kind of distributing that squared in. So let's go ahead and foil this out. And then here and here. So we multiply these, we'll have 3y times 3y. We'll have 3y times, or we can even say minus 3y times 2. Oops, I'm going to run out of room here. Minus 2 times 3y, and then minus 2 times negative 2. Kind of ran out of room, but you get the idea. Now you don't have to write out this extra step, but if you struggle with these, that might be a good idea. So we multiply these. Remember, we're multiplying numbers and variables. So 3 times 3 is 9, and then y squared. Negative 3 times 2, we get minus 6y, minus another 6y, and then negative 2 times negative 2, we get plus 4. Then we want to combine like terms, so negative 6, we'll end up with 9y squared minus 12y plus 4. Notice when I'm combining like terms that we're looking at it like we have negative 6y's and then we have another negative 6y's. So how many y's do we have? Well, we have negative 12y's. So be careful when combining like terms that you don't change the exponent. Now this one right here, this step is different because we actually are multiplying the exponents. So when you multiply y times y, well, when you multiply those, the property you're doing is you're adding the exponents. So we're saying basically we have two y's that are multiplied together, okay? So that's how you do this. Make sure you separate it out and remember that you're multiplying two different binomials together, and then you'll FOIL first outer inner last, or just make sure you're multiplying each of these terms in the first one by each of the terms in the second one. Hopefully that helps.